viewers, today I'm going to make palak soup. This is a very healthy recipe as well as a tasty recipe. It's very healthy for kids as well as adults. You can even have one during your sickness, anytime. It is very healthy one. So let's start the recipe. Keep a kadai and switch on the flame. Keep the flame in medium. Add 2 spoons of butter. Let it melt. If you don't want to use butter, you can use oil as well. Now add finely chopped 1 onion. Sort the onions well. Let them turn to light golden brown color. Okay, onions are cooked now. Let's add palak. I have taken 1 bunch of palak and just coarsely cut it. Just chop it a little bit. I'm adding a half cup of water, 1 spoon of salt to let the palak cook fast. Let's cover this with a lid and keep the flame on medium and let it cook. Let this cook for 5 minutes. Make sure you have enough water when palak is cooking. Otherwise, if you feel you need more water, you can add it and you can even stir it in between. Okay, palak is cooked. So let's switch off the flame. Let this cool completely because we have to grind this into a paste. Okay, the palak is cooled down now. Let's put it in the mixer jar. Now grind this into a fine paste because we need it for the soup and keep it aside. Now in the same kadai, let me switch on the flame again. Keep it in medium. I'll put 1 more spoon of butter. Let the butter melt. So I have added a little more butter because my kids like butter. But if you don't prefer too much of butter and if you want it to be really healthy, you can skip this or you can add very little butter or maybe 1 spoon of oil or 1 spoon of olive oil, anything you can, it's your choice. Okay, the butter is melted now. I'm adding 5 cloves of garlic finely chopped and peeled. So this garlic is to give nice flavor and aroma for the soup. If you don't eat garlic, you can skip this. Saute the garlic for just 1 minute and then this is the paste we have made with the palak. So I'll add this. Based on the thickness you want in the soup, you can add water. I have added water into the jar and then made sure that I have taken all the palak from the jar and added into the soup. This looks a little thick for me. Maybe I can add a little more water. Let this cook. Meanwhile, I'm adding half spoon of salt. Remember, we already added 1 spoon of salt while palak is cooking. So half spoon should be good enough. Okay, I have added enough water. Now bring this to boil. Let it boil for some time. Okay, the soup is boiling and it is leaving very nice aroma. Now let me add black pepper powder. I'm adding half spoon of pepper powder, black one. If you want it more spicy, you can add a little more. Then the main and secret ingredient of the soup, coconut milk. This you get it nowadays in any general grocery store. So you can take the ready-made coconut milk. I'm adding half cup of coconut milk and then stir it. After adding coconut milk, let this boil again. It might take couple of minutes to come to boil. Once it comes to boil, you can switch off the flame and serve the soup. Okay, now this is coming to boil. I think we are done with the soup. This is very perfect thickness. Okay, let me switch off the flame and this soup is ready to serve in a bowl. So I've taken the soup in a bowl and I have added fresh cream and crunchy fried bread pieces for enhanced taste. And the soup is ready to serve.